Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn how to draw and paint a Madhubani butterfly. Okay, so we need a paper, pencil, eraser, ruler. We need black paint, and along with black paint we need some other shades whichever we like. I'm going to paint it on a canvas bag. So I'm going to use fabric paint and 000 number brush. So let's start. So for border, whichever design we'll draw, I'm marking 1 centimeter. We have drawn double line. So we are going to paint a butterfly in Madhubani Art Style. I'm marking the border 1 centimeter distance on all the four sides so that my design should be perfect. Whichever design we are drawing, it should be correct, equidistant. I'll draw the border here. In Madhubani painting, border is very, very important. Without border, Madhubani is incomplete. Then I'll paint one side. So, as we all know, we have to have double line with black color paint, and I'm going to use black fabric paint. As we discussed earlier also, I'm using fabric paint because I'm painting on a canvas bag and sometimes we feel like washing the bag. So if it is ordinary acrylic paint, there are chances that paint will disappear after few washes, but fabric paint will not go. So the basic rule of Madhubani is to draw these double line for every border. In between the lines, we can do some kachni or we can leave them blank also. Once again, kachni means the line work. Bharni means the filling of colors. This is called Ashtadal flower. Asht means 8. Dal means petal. So 8 petal flower. This is a background booty for today. So this is red color paint, crimson red. In Madhubani, there is a very famous book called Maithili Geet Govind, which is written by a famous guru, Mr. Krishna Kumar Kashyap and Mrs. Shashi Bala. This border design I have taken from that book. Kashyap sir, his Facebook page, his fans are running the Facebook page, Kashyap Memorial Trust. Lots of things are there on his name. He was given lots of awards. And this particular design is his design, border design.
Can you tell me the name again for the book?
Maithili Geet Govind. I bought it from Delhi airport, T3, D3 or T3, whatever, Terminal 3. So our border will go like this on all the four sides. In Madhubani painting, we don't leave the space blank. So we always make flowers, leaves, or some Madhubani booty. So today's booty is this Ashtadal flower. We will do line work in this flower. Line work means kachni. We'll start with the outline of butterfly. So first we will draw a face. Except human beings in Madhubani, everything should have a double line. So as usual, butterfly is not a human being, so we have to draw double line. These are the antennas of butterfly. In between, we'll divide the body into different segments, curved lines. And then we'll do kachni or bharni in between. Okay, I'll do this part first. Otherwise, my hand can spoil. Here we are going to make a spiral. So our half butterfly is over, and now I want to work with red paint in it, and the same pattern will follow on the other side. So I have this crimson red, and I'll see if I use this yellow also. Okay, but I think yellow on off-white will not look so nice. Let's try. Red will look very bright. So we'll start from here. This is called Khadi Kachni. I'm making Trikon Kachni here. Bharni by Crimson Red. Again, all these paints are fabric paints. In Madhubani, we don't make dots, but we do make circles with black outline. Please make sure that your black outline is clearly visible. So our half butterfly is ready. Other half will be similar to this. So take your time, do it slowly. There is no hurry. Okay. And exactly same thing we'll paint here. Same design on all the four corners and same border on all the four sides. This is Tirchi Kachni. I hope you liked the tutorial. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing my YouTube channel Vandana's Art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.